eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and welcome back to another episode of Say What? It's Vegan. And this is all about holiday foods, and we're gonna start it off with my Coquito. If you have not heard about it, you're getting ready to know about it. It's something sweet, coconutty, boozy, and it's the best Puerto Rican drink that you've ever had. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and do this vegan, but we're gonna do it an easy vegan way. There's a couple different ways that families do it. Sometimes the traditional way, they add egg to it. Some people don't. Some people like to grind their own spices, boil their teas and make it, but I'm gonna do it that's very simplistic, that you can get it done in less than 5 minutes so you can start feeling good right away. So we're gonna start off by taking some coconut milk, and make sure you have a whole fat can of coconut milk, any brand that you like. Next, I'm gonna take a can of coconut evaporated milk. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 can of sweetened condensed coconut milk. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a cream de cocoa. Go ahead and add some pure vanilla extract. Then we're gonna take some ground cinnamon. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of allspice and a little bit of nutmeg. And then I actually like to add just a touch of cloves to this as well. Now it's time to get boozy. We are gonna use some white rum. This is some Puerto Rican rum that I got from the liquor store. Yes, it's vegan. You can use whatever kind that you want. You can mix it with like a white rum, a spiced rum, a dark rum. Y'all don't know what type of party you're trying to have, but you know, you're gonna be real rummy rum. Mind your business. If you wanna stop right there, you can, okay? I do what I want. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. That's a lot. I mean, you ain't gotta tell nobody how much alcohol you put in there. That's your business. Okay, I just like to put like a whole cinnamon stick in there for garnish, and it is done. And you can put this in the refrigerator. It's absolutely best to serve it chilled. Take some old wine bottles or beer bottles. You can put it in the container so you can give it to your friends and family to travel with you. It's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and try it, because I already know it's good, you know. Hold on. This tastes like trouble in a very good way. Hold on, let me take it one more time. Hold on. Let me know when you all make this, okay? If you can type it after you get done making it, okay? Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you next time on Say What Is Vegan. Ciao.